Dark Journey by Brothers Going Up. Well, that might have been too much. All right, do the big one.